Hi there, this is our Adira Pressbrake. It's a upstroking hydraulic production press brake. Very good quality, and this one, even though it's second hand, it's in like new condition. It's came out of a university, so would have been more of a teaching aid than anything else. They've gone and fitted a beautiful late model laser guard system. And some really nice guarding, and you know, a really nice late model system on it in regards to the laser. It's got the Herco control back gauge system on it, and basically what that is it's programmable through here with your measurements and your settings. It can be used in a manual operation to repeat one setting, and it can also, I've like programmed in about 9 at the moment, different back gauge settings, and I can put that on auto and do an upstroking bend, and at the end of that bend it will move the back gauge system to the next position in line, etc. The upstroking and bending depth or position is manually set through here. It's not controlled through there, and it doesn't have a digital display, so it's a manual system for your bending depth. Obviously you can set how far it drops as well, and it's also got limit switches there. So you've got your controller here, you've got another setup here for the laser guard system for setting your mute position and all the other options, which it has many of. And this is just magnetic here, so you can move this around on the machine. It's got the creating a setup here, the tooling's immaculate. Okay, we'll start from this side. You've got your main switchboards here, isolation, power isolation switch, emergency stop, your tonnage control for your hydraulic pressure, and then your bending depth, etc. all there, and also the laser safe panel there, the main panel for that laser guard system. They've got a couple of magnetic setups for that laser safe gauge set up for setting that height, and also a wee setup there for setting your material mute position, etc. All of this on the bed and these locking position bits and pieces are all beautiful. Same here, and basically you probably can't see it, but I'll open these guards, but they've made them swing. Yes, you may not see that. A beautiful swinging system, so you can swing them out the way. And then you've got some material supports here, and then a wee rotary encoder there, which just tells that laser system what position this is at for setting the mute, etc. The back and the back gauge systems are really immaculate, and the whole machine's immaculate. Alright, I'll start it up. Star Delta start up there. As you can hear, it ticks over very quietly, that pump. And there's not a lot to show you, but I'll just take you through things. You won't be able to see that back gauge system moving back each time, but basically at the end of the stroke it will move. It's got a slow or rapid setting in regards to how fast that back gauge system travels, which I've got it set on the rapid at the moment. So it's gone up, hit the mute, and then done it slow. Back gauge has moved to the next position. Again. It also counts how many times it's done the job, so it's got a job counter there, and it can store the different jobs which you can go to that are programmed in. It's got a couple of gauge setups for setting that back gauge position, which you'll see in one of the photos. So yeah, there's the 9 wee programs that I've put in there in regards to that back gauge. Like I say, the bending depth is done manually here, and that's all very nice to move. So the machine's really immaculate. It would have been used as a teaching aid. It's got a beautiful modern laser guard system on it and some really nice guarding, and it's very, very good quality and is in immaculate condition.